get my back fixed.
What was wrong with your back?
I had scoliosis and 3 discs that were herniated.
Yeah, you still have the scoliosis. But you came here because you had back pain.
Right.
Do you remember that back pain?
Yes, I do.
Do you still have that back pain now?
I'm sore, but it's different.
It's not the same.
Not the same.
So when would you get the back pain that you had? How long did you have the, so are you filming? All right. How long did you have, I didn't know you started. You started, but we can go for it. How long did you have the back pain that you came here for? How long did you have that pain?
I've had back pain for at least 20 years.
So 20
I've done
years.
everything under the sun they told me to do or that I could do. I've seen 10 chiropractors, and I think they may have made it worse.
Well, my opinion, probably not.
You don't
It
think
was
so?
destined to be worse.
You think so?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think the chiropractors did anything. What the chiropractors do is they move joints around that are full of arthritis, and that probably hurt a little bit sometimes. But they did their very best to fix the problem with chiropractic, which is,
I know they tried.
yeah, it's a good thing to try. I recommend everybody try chiropractor.
I've had
Right.
acupuncture too.
You've done everything. You did shots?
I did shots, steroid shots.
Did anybody offer you fusion surgery?
No, I went to 3 of the supposedly best surgeons in Amarillo, and they wouldn't touch it.
So 3 of the best spine surgeons in Texas.
I don't know whether they were the best in Texas or not.
Well,
In
Amarillo, Texas, fine. But they wouldn't do anything.
They wouldn't do anything.
Did they tell you why?
Not really. I just supposed maybe they thought I was too old or that they couldn't do it. They didn't do what you do.
No, nobody else in the world does what I
I
do.
didn't think they did.
Yeah.
So they really didn't tell me why they wouldn't. One of them was a scoliosis specialist, and he said, "You don't want to see me coming." He said, "You can still walk."
Yeah, that's because the surgery they have for you is to put screws and rods up your whole spine. And that's one of the most painful surgeries in the world.
I had a friend that said that her daughter-in-law had 44 staples. And I thought, I don't want that.
Well, you'd probably have more than that because to fix your curvature, you'd need an incision about that long. And that's going to be around 80 or 100 staples.
Sure, I don't want that.
And I've done those surgeries. I've been doing this 25
have?
years. Oh, yeah. Scoliosis surgery I do all the time when I do open fusions. But you chose the least invasive surgery in the world, endoscopic transforaminal Deuk laser disc repair.
I'm thankful I haven't had surgery before.
Yeah. And we did it all through an incision that big.
I know it, and that amazes me.
Yeah. So the reason you're sore right now is because I put a metal tube through your back to get to those discs to fix them. I did three maneuvers. So that's what's hurting is your muscles on that side, that left side. But the pain you had before you came here, do you still have that pain? You've been standing up now for a while.
No, I don't.
It's gone.
Because I was having muscle spasms, and I would have to bend over.
The pain you had that you came from Texas, you've been dealing with for all these years, do you still have that pain right now?
No.
No, it's gone.
Yes.
Yeah, we didn't give you pain pills.
No, and I haven't had pain pills in months.
Yeah.
They didn't do any good.
Yeah, and the medicine we gave you for your surgery just puts you to sleep, but it doesn't take pain away. So, and then you had leg pain too on the left side?
Yes, and I've had stem cell injection in my knee. And I think I wouldn't be walking now if I hadn't had it, but it's still weak.
So do you notice any difference with your left leg symptoms that you came to us with? Is it any better at all now?
Hey, Crystal.
Not your knee, because I didn't work on your knee.
Probably it's better.
Did you have pain shooting down your left leg before surgery?
I didn't have it shooting, but it was weak and it was painful.
It was painful and weak, all right. Well, where are you headed now?
Back to the hotel
And then when are you heading back to Texas?
tomorrow.
Excellent. Do you have anything you want to tell the rest of the world?
Come to Dr. Deuk. Dr. Deuk's the best.
Thank you for saying that. All right, I made a new friend in Texas.
You
I'm
sure
very
did.
happy about
You
that.
need to come to Texas sometime.